Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, October 10th. Stocks on Wall Street are set to follow the global markets higher as investors react to some positive news on the European debt crisis. At a joint press conference yesterday, German Chancellor Angela Merkel and French President Nicolas Sarkozy vowed to strengthen the region's banks. The two leaders said they would reveal plans to recapitalize the financial sector by the beginning of next month. Among the most troubled European banks lately has been the French-Belgian lender Dexia. But now it's agreeing to nationalize its Belgian retail banking arm. The move is part of a new rescue package that also includes 90 billion euros of state funding guarantees. The governments of Belgium, France, and Luxembourg will also provide a 10-year guarantee on Dexia's funding.
That news out of Europe is giving a boost to the region's shared currency this morning. The euro is rising to nearly $1.36 against the greenback. And the dollar is also sharply lower against most other major currencies. That weakness is giving a boost to commodities, which are priced in dollars. Right now, gold is jumping to around $1,660 an ounce, and silver is back above $32 an ounce. Meanwhile, oil prices are rallying by nearly 2%. Light sweet crude is now trading at around $84.50 a barrel on hopes of stronger demand. The U.S. bond markets are closed today for the Columbus Day holiday, but the yield on the benchmark 10-year note stands at 2.07%.
On the corporate front, the biggest deal of the day comes from the energy sector. Superior Energy Services is buying Complete Production Services for about $6.2 billion. The price tag represents a 62% premium over Complete's closing price on Friday, and it's 29% above its two-month average. Shares of Complete are jumping 50% on the news, but Superior is set to open about 10% lower. Separately, Canadian oil and gas producer Daylight Energy agreed to be acquired by China Petrochemical, or Sinopec. That deal is worth about $2.1 billion, which equals more than double Daylight's closing share price on Friday. This is the second takeover of a Canadian energy company by a Chinese state-owned firm, after CNOOC bought bankrupt oil sands producer Opti Canada in July.
We're also keeping an eye on the telecommunications sector today. AT&T said that initial demand for Apple's iPhone 4S has been extraordinary, with more than 200,000 pre-orders in the first 12 hours. AT&T, Verizon Wireless, and Sprint Nextel all began taking orders for the new iPhone on Friday. Another big stock winner today may be Netflix. It's jumping 9% after the company backed away from plans to separate its DVD rental business from its streaming video service and rename the former Quickster. Investors and subscribers had overwhelmingly negative reactions when the plan was announced last month. And finally, no big names on the earnings calendar today. But after tomorrow's closing bell, Alcoa will officially kick off the third quarter reporting season. JPMorgan Chase and Google are set to post their results on Thursday. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.